Hi everyone, welcome to MVP Auto Review. Today we're diving into a true legend returning to the streets and the track, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. For decades, the Z28 badge has stood for precision, performance, and a direct connection to racing heritage. While the ZL1 is all about brute force and supercharged horsepower, the Z28 has always been about balance, control, and making a Camaro that thrives in the corners as much as on the straights. In 2026, Chevrolet has resurrected this legendary trim to give enthusiasts the ultimate track-focused Camaro, and trust me, this one is special. The Z28 name carries an aura in the muscle car community that few others can match. It was first introduced in 1967 as a homologation special for Trans Am racing, built with the perfect recipe of a high-revving small block V8, lightweight construction, and handling upgrades. Over the decades, it came and went, each time leaving a huge impact on the performance world. Now, Chevrolet has brought it back in a time when muscle cars are facing stiff competition from electrics and exotics, but the Z28 proudly stays true to its formula: less weight, more agility, and a focus on pure driving experience. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The 2026 Camaro Z28 comes with a naturally aspirated 6.6-liter V8, producing around 600 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. While it may not match the ZL1 in sheer horsepower, it's designed to deliver razor-sharp throttle response and a screaming redline, offering that visceral connection between driver and machine. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with a close ratio gearbox that's been tuned for maximum track performance. For purists, this is exactly what a Z28 should be: raw, mechanical, and engaging. Performance is where the Z28 really shines. Chevy engineers have gone all in on weight reduction, stripping away unnecessary luxuries and replacing heavy components with lightweight alternatives. The rear seats are gone, sound deadening is minimal, and lightweight carbon fiber panels are used extensively throughout the body. Even the glass is thinner to shave off pounds. The result: a curb weight that undercuts the ZL1 by several hundred pounds, making the Z28 quicker, sharper, and more responsive on the track. The suspension setup is equally impressive. The Z28 is equipped with Multimatic spool valve dampers, the same technology found in high-end race cars and even exotic hypercars. This allows for unmatched precision and control, letting the Z28 attack corners with confidence and stability. The car rides on a wider track with aggressive alignment settings, giving it insane levels of grip. Add in a set of massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes and sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, and you've got a Camaro that feels more like a track weapon than a street car. From a design perspective, the 2026 Z28 is instantly recognizable as something special. The front fascia has been reshaped for maximum airflow and downforce, featuring a huge front splitter, aggressive canards, and a functional vented hood. Along the sides, flared fenders cover the wider tires, while the rear gets a massive adjustable wing and a functional diffuser. Every detail of the body has been designed with aerodynamics in mind, keeping the car glued to the pavement at high speeds. The Z28 badge is proudly displayed, letting everyone know this isn't just another Camaro, it's the sharpest one in the lineup. Inside, the Z28 stays true to its lightweight philosophy. The cabin is stripped down but still driver-focused, featuring Alcantara-wrapped sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and just enough digital tech to provide vital information. The instrument cluster offers performance metrics like lap times, G-forces, and tire pressures, while a roll cage option is available for those who plan to take their Z28 straight to the track. Creature comforts like heated seats and advanced sound systems are not the priority here. This interior is about focus, performance, and connection to the road. On the track, the 2026 Camaro Z28 is nothing short of electrifying. Thanks to its weight reduction, naturally aspirated V8, and track-tuned suspension, it's capable of lap times that rival European sports cars costing twice as much. It thrives in the corners, offering balance and confidence that few muscle cars can match. On the street, it's raw, loud, and engaging, a car that constantly reminds you of its racing DNA. Chevrolet knows the Z28 is a special car, which is why production will be limited. Pricing is expected to start around $85,000, positioning it as a direct rival to cars like the Ford Mustang Dark Horse R and even Porsche's Cayman GT4. For the performance it delivers, it's an incredible value, especially for those who want a track-focused machine with deep American heritage. The return of the Z28 in 2026 is more than just another Camaro trim, it's a statement from Chevrolet. It says that even in an age of electrification and high-tech performance cars, there's still room for a pure, naturally aspirated, track-honed muscle car that celebrates the joy of driving. It's a reminder of what made the Camaro great in the first place, and why the Z28 badge continues to be one of the most respected in automotive history. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, a car that brings racing DNA straight to the streets while staying true to its heritage. If you're as excited as we are about this reborn legend, stick around for more reviews and breakdowns of the cars that keep the thrill of driving alive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car reviews and future performance icons.